Alrighty, Big Ron. First thing we're gonna do is got this 4-pill going for you. Got some big wire on there now, buddy. Alright, first thing we're gonna do is show you the receives working on it, the relay's working. Here's my radio. Here's my radio key up. Alright. Turn him off. Straight through SWR. Worldwide 000. Turn him on. Input SWR 0. You hear your relay. Hear it clicking. The key transistor fell apart. Fell out. So what happened, shipping it come loose. But look at our LP. We're on 15.5. Hello, audio 1, 2, worldwide 15.5, worldwide 15.5, radio drive. So we're putting hello 37 minutes, 30 minutes. So hello, audio 1, 2, worldwide, radio drive. That's a good little power driving box. All right, my other radio's over here making those. Let me go down channel, go down to 14 volts and see what it does in there. Hey, 14.2. Hello, 14.2. Hello, 14.2. Still good numbers. Still been playing drive. Hello, 14.2. Get on down. That's your 14.1. But you can hear it really clicking. So we're good to go, man. Hello, audio. Get your great big wire on the back. Get your big old wire on there. 4-gauge welding wire. Get on down. All right, buddy. I'm going to get this thing on out to you. Because I know it's new and everything. Really, I only got to wait a little while on the other one because I'm backed up, but I want to get this thing out right back out to you. It's brand new. I know you need it. All right, Ron. Thank you, buddy. We'll catch you a little bit later on. Your friend Tenzer. Bye-bye.